Well, every time I upload a video on my YouTube channel and on my Facebook page, I get one very common question from my lovely audience, and that is, how did you become so fluent in English? Where should I start? Or what should I do if I want to speak English fluently and spontaneously like you? So my dear friend, if you have ever asked this question, then this video is just for you. In today's video, I will break it down and I will try to talk about my English journey, how I started my English journey, and what really helped me the most. And most importantly, I will share how you can start your English journey step by step. And today I'm not going to share any fancy tricks or any shortcuts. I will try to give you my real advice that really worked for me, and I'm pretty sure and I strongly believe that it will also work for you. And one more additional thing here, that is, in today's video I will be speaking in both Bengali and English, because I believe if I just make this video in English, then this video will be for those people who are just good at English. But I want to help every one of you. That is the reason why I have taken this decision, and hopefully after watching this video you will be able to start your own English journey and you will make yourself better, because English is needed in every aspect of our life. It is called the international language, so we really need to learn it, right? There is no alternative without learning English, so you will have to learn it if you want to add some better facilities in your life. Okay, and one more thing, that is, like, in today's video I will also try to speak more slowly, because I have got some requests from my audience, that is that Porosh brother, can you speak little bit slow, because we are having a hard time understanding your words. And that is the reason in today's video I will try to speak slowly, although I can't speak slowly. That is the problem that happens every time whenever I try to make video, because I am so crazy for learning English. So whenever I try to make video, I just try to speak randomly and I try to speak so fast. Okay, anyway, in today's video I will try to speak slowly. Okay, so the first thing first, I can share with you, that is, like, when I started my English journey, I had zero knowledge about spoken English, about English, because I had no idea where to start, what really I need to learn, or what I really need to cover up initially. But then what I did, I searched on YouTube. I got some information from those videos, and those videos really helped me to learn this language. And this is my own story, but today I don't want to share my own story. I just want to make you understand how you can do it, how you can start your English journey. Because in our country there are a group of people who are interested in learning English, but for some reasons they are unable to start their journey. They are falling behind day by day. But I don't want you to fall behind. I just want to make yourself better. That is the reason why I am recording this video, and hopefully this video will be so much beneficial for you. So my dear friend, if you want to learn English, if you just want to start your journey, the first thing that you really need to do is you have to find out your why. You have to find out your purpose. Why do you want to learn English? It's really very essential for you. So before you start learning English, just ask yourself a very simple question. That is, why should I learn English? Or why do I want to learn English? What I will do after learning English? What is my purpose? What is my intention? If you are clear about it, or if you are clear about it, then your journey will become more easier for you. And then you will be able to start your journey, and you will be able to gain confidence every single day. And this is the thing that we really need to do initially if we want to learn English. Okay, and one more interesting thing is, as you can see, there are lots of people. Here you can see some boys, and behind me there are some people, and they are observing me. That's why I'm a little bit nervous, but hopefully I will be able to overcome this. So as I said, we need to clear about our purpose for learning English. And once we are clear about our purpose, the next thing that we really need to do is create a strong mindset. It's really very essential for us, and it's necessary. You have to do it. It's mandatory for you, because in our country there are lots of people who start their English journey, but what happens then? Then after a few days later, they feel like giving up. That is the reason they are unable to make themselves better in spoken English. But if you really want to learn this language, if you really want to achieve your fluency, achieve confidence in speaking English, then you will have to create a strong mindset. Just, tell yourself you can do it. Maybe today you are unable to speak English fluently and effortlessly, but if you just work on yourself, if you keep speaking, keep practicing every single day, then you will be better after a certain time or period. So it's really very essential. And you know what, when I was a beginner, I could not speak English that much with that much fluency, but I never ever stopped. I never ever gave up. So that is the thing you also need to do. Create a strong mindset. It's so important. If you can do it, then your journey will become more easier and you will be able to make yourself better. So this is the next thing. And the third thing that you can do is you can start your journey by listening. Listening is really, really essential, and it's so important for you. It will help you to become a better English speaker, because the more you listen, the better you will become. So what you can do in order to listen, you can watch English videos, and later you can utilize all the things that you have learned before. And if you want, you can listen to some English podcast, and the more you listen, your brain will get used to those words, those sentence making structures, and these are the things that will help you a lot initially. Maybe if you are a beginner, if you watch some English videos, you will be unable to understand all the things, but if you just keep going, if you just keep continuing your journey, then day by day you will be able to improve yourself. So you have to be consistent enough. I really don't know whether how do you feel about it. Are you consistent enough or not? But if you ask me, am I consistent or not, I can tell you with 100% confidence that I am consistent, because I started my journey almost 15 months earlier, and as you can see, still I am so much passionate about it. Still I have that much resilience what I had when I was a beginner. So that is the thing that you also need to have in order to make yourself better in spoken English. And learning English or any other new language takes time, so you will have to be patient here. You have to hold your horses here, because if you just want to get the results overnight, then it will never happen for you. Okay. So this is the thing that also really very important for us if we want to learn English. And also we need to cover up English grammars, like grammatical items like tenses, prepositions, articles, parts of speech. These are the things that we really need to learn. Okay, and if you just if you are weak in English grammar, then you don't need to be worried too much, because when I was a beginner, I was also so much weak in English grammar, but I didn't let it stop me. Initially I used to make lots of mistakes, but the thing is, I also learned from those mistakes. So if you just allow your mistake to improve yourself, then it will help you to be better in spoken English. Okay, so this is the thing that will help you better. And also we need to learn some sentence making structures. We need to practice English every day. This is the most important thing that we really need, because if you just learn every day, but if you don't put your effort in speaking English, then you will never be able to speak this language. And most importantly, you are learning this language to communicate with others or to express yourself with confidence. And if you don't practice it regularly, then your fluency will never come, and you will never be able to reach at your goals. So it's so important, and these are the things that we really need to do if we want to start our journey. Although I was supposed to speak in Bengali, but it's been almost 8 minutes I've been speaking in English, and I'm really sorry for that. I think it would be better if I continue speaking English, as I already spoke 8 minutes in English. Okay, so yeah, that is the thing that we really need to do initially. And don't lose your hope, don't lose your heart, because maybe today you are not good at English speaking, but one day you will. Like when I was a beginner, my situation wasn't good. I had zero idea about English speaking, but I didn't let it stop me. I did not give up then. And just think, if I gave up then I would never be able to come in today's position. So it's very important for you, and just try to to motivate yourself every single day. So here I can suggest you one thing, that is, if you want, you can just watch some English motivational videos on YouTube. You will find lots of videos on YouTube, and YouTube is a platform that can be used for learning English or for learning any other new skill. Like I have been watching lots of videos on YouTube, and I'm getting an exceptional result from those videos. See, I always try to watch motivational videos. That's why I always try to motivate people. And you know what? I have a dream to become a motivational speaker in the near future. And hopefully I will make it happen, because I have been working so hard. And one thing, if you just believe in yourself, then everything is possible. And keep in mind, God has a plan for you. So if you just work on yourself, then the rest of the things will up to God. If you help yourself, your God will help you. Okay, so never lose your hope. If you are not talented, then it is totally nothing for you. You don't need to be talented to do something. If you have the faith on you, if you have the confidence, then you can do everything. Okay, so these are the things that we really need in order to learn English, or in order to be confident while speaking English. And I have been making videos. I am trying to make your journey a little bit better. And I am every day I get lots of questions from different parts of Bangladesh. People try to message me, and they always tell me that, Porosh brother, how can I start my English journey? What really I need to do, or what it actually takes to learn English, or like to become fluent? And that's why I thought I should speak about it, and that is the reason I have come here. This is Naranganj railway station. It is a very beautiful place, and you know what, in my city there are not so many places where I can make video. That's why again I am recording this video here, although 1 week earlier I came to this place, and that day I made a video. And the coincidence is that day I also came here with my friend Sakib, who is standing over there on that wall, and you will find some other boys also here. So yeah, as you can see, I am speaking in front of those strangers. It's really a very exceptional thing, right? I am being able to express myself. I am being able to improve myself. I am being able to inspire you guys. So if you also want to inspire people like me, then you can start your journey today. Don't squander your time. If you squander your time today, you will be regretted soon. So just believe in yourself and see everything is possible. I am motivated from my within. That's why I'm being able to do everything that I desire to do in my life. If you are also motivated, you will be able to do everything. Okay, so don't squander your time on unnecessary things. Rather, you should invest your time on learning and making yourself better. So it's really very difficult for me to cover up all the things in one single video. Maybe in my next videos I will try to talk about different topics, and those videos will be also helpful for you. So stay connected with me, and if you like my videos, please considering to subscribe my channel. This will be a great thing for me. And yeah, that's it for today. And you can see there are lots of people who see, and that's why I'm a little bit nervous, although I am at the 11th hour of this video. I am about to finish this video. So I will catch you later in my next video. Till then, have a great day. Always try to learn English. Always try to invest your time, and don't squander your time on unnecessary things. Try to use your time wisely. So keep learning, keep shining. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next time. Till then, have a great day. Take care of yourself, and bye for now.